The purpose of this video is to show how to enable the camera scanner to start adding items to an order transaction in iSales 100. The first step is to go to settings to enable the camera scanner. So I choose settings and then settings again. I'm going to scroll down to device settings. I'm going to find enable camera scanner and I'm going to turn that feature on. Then I'm going to go back to my home screen, start a new transaction, choose a customer, and then from this header screen, all I have to do is to press either of the volume buttons on my iPhone or the iPad to start scanning. So I hit the volume button and it's going to pop up here and it's going to scan a item for me and add that item to it. Hit the volume button again and it scans again, and you can see it's incremented my quantity. Of course, manually I can go in and change that again. You'll notice here that I'm scanning a UPC code that's been associated with this item number in stage 100 using the alias item numbers. So we have that capability to scan customer, vendor, general alias items along with the standard item numbers too. And then of course, if I need to add additional items without doing barcode scanning, I can just go ahead and add additional lines using the manual technique as well. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@xkzero.com. Thank you.